So it's a non-invasive procedure. It's like a little jackhammer, if you will, that kind of will break up any plaque or adhesions that would prevent blood flow. So it's all fluid. You know, most of the erectile dysfunction is vascular in nature. So it's more like fluid dynamics, you know, like blood flow in, blood flow out kind of thing.
Jennifer Dubicki, a licensed acupuncture physician, shows me how it would work using my arm.
This is the handpiece where the shockwave therapy comes out. I'm just going to have you roll your sleeve up for me. You can feel what it feels like. So we would just go up and down like this, and then we go up and down all the way around.
Okay, it doesn't feel, there's no pain associated with that?
No.
And how long does it do? You'll do that for 20 minutes?
It sends shockwaves into the area, and those shockwaves resonate in the nerve endings. So it even resonates for days after you get your procedure. It also causes a slight bit of inflammation in the nerve endings, which causes more blood flow to go to that area. But you won't feel anything. You won't feel the inflammation.
You know, most of the research on this particular shortwave therapy or shockwave therapy has been shown that it can be, you know, 70–80% effective. So it's a procedure that can be done, that once is done, depending upon their degree of dysfunction, we would determine how many treatments you would need. So most guys, you know, probably need about 6 treatments.
Okay.
But it can last for, you know, years. So it's almost setting the clock back.
In addition to the GainsWave procedure, here at Vitalized Performance Group, they also do acupuncture as part of treating the whole body.
The acupuncture helps to circulate blood flow, helps to increase hormone levels, and also whatever ailments they might have. A lot of them have stress, anxiety, sleep disturbances. There's particular points that we do that help to balance out the body so those ailments also go away.
Robert Robles is a licensed acupuncturist for the group.
When we do the acupuncture, that's a concern. A lot of people think, well, you're treating male virility, and where are you going to put the needles? It's not anywhere in the area that we apply the GainsWave treatments. It's actually legs, lower back, ankles, arms, and the top of the head.
Okay, so it has nothing to do with that part of the anatomy.
Correct, yes.
That's interesting. And you've been doing this for years?
I've been in acupuncture for 20 years.
Wow,
yes.
And you've seen results?
Yes, yeah. I'm getting a lot of feedback from the patients here, and they're doing very well.
Another way they treat the whole body, through colonics. This machine they use is called the Libby. Hydrocolon therapist Gigi Aducci explains more.
It's a gravity-fed machine, and I don't insert anything. There's no speculums. And all that goes in is this little tube right here. So that's all that goes in up to there. And you just sit down, lay down, and you have your colonic. And we call that the exit plan. We found a study that there was a direct correlation between constipation and erectile dysfunction.
Interesting.
So we're treating the whole person, and we really want you to have the best result.
You know, there's so many studies on, you know, what good sex life does for people.
Sure.
Not only as, you know, kind of having the pleasure of intimacy, but also all the chemicals that get released. You know, those endorphins and enkephalins, you know, that get released do a lot for our psychology, right?
I had a gentleman this morning who reported that he had an experience that he hadn't had since he was a very young man.
All right, if you would like to learn more about the GainsWave procedure or to learn more about Vitalized Performance Group, head to vpgwaves.com.
Coming up tomorrow, great ideas for traveling for the upcoming long holiday weekend.
And have you heard